A family in Davao City tested positive for COVID-19. These and more updates in Mindanao from Rial Soroche of GMA Regional TV 1 Mindanao. Live, Rial.
Alan, in Davao City, the area where a family that tested positive for COVID-19 resides is now under lockdown. Stricter measures are being implemented in Davao Region, while in Cagayan de Oro City, authorities arrested the maker of fake COVID-19 test results. A family of 4 in Barangay 5-A Bangkiron, Davao City tested positive for COVID-19. The 4 are a married couple, their 23-year-old daughter and her live-in partner. The barangay immediately placed their house on lockdown, including the neighboring houses. Barangay Captain Edgar Ribuyan Sr. said that the 4 COVID patients from Purok 6 first tested positive in a rapid test, and this was later confirmed with their RT-PCR test.
Pagkagabi, gidala nila sa SPMC, and then ang katong mga natay contact tracing, ang kung na contact na itong yung hinabi niya, ato nang itagaan og suporta na dili na magagawa yun. Therefore, ang pulis po nato na apo tayo nabantay sila.
Meanwhile, a new thermal scanner was installed at the Task Force Davao checkpoint in Barangay Lasang. The machine, which is placed inside a container van, will measure the temperature of people entering the city and minimize body contact between Task Force Davao personnel and the travelers. Aside from the checkpoint at Barangay Lasang, the Davao City LGU also equipped other entry points in Turil and Calinan with thermal scanners. Starting this month, Davao del Norte Province will implement a no QR code, no entry, no transaction policy. The QR code should be presented upon entering the province, which will also be used to enter and transact in all government offices and private establishments. The residents of the province will be provided with their own QR codes through the respective LGUs, while non-residents who need to enter the province may register online through davnorsystems.gov.ph. Registration booths will also be installed at all checkpoints of the provincial boundaries. The applicant should bring a valid ID with details including address and birth date or supporting document, such as birth certificates. The establishments in the province are also obliged to install a scanner and should not allow entry to anybody who has no QR code.
Ang target yun nato nga date is August 1. However, it's really impossible considering na dili pa ta ng private establishment dunay dunay kanang scanner. So kung nato sa yun nato nga ma-reach na tong 100% nga kanang kanang preparation kay aron gyud to implement nato na siya as soon as possible.
In Barangay Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro City, authorities nabbed a maker of fake COVID-19 test results, medical certificates, and authorizations to travel. The suspect is identified as Ramonito Lopez. Items used for forging documents were confiscated. Authorities fear that if someone who is COVID-19 positive uses these forged documents when traveling, he or she might infect others.
Ay dili na violation na gid po daan no ang pagpamiki no sa mga dokumento no mo na nga gioperita nato siya labi pa karon nga ang iyang gihimo is dako kayo nato nga gisugubang nga problema.
Meanwhile, Northern Mindanao Medical Center Chief Dr. Jose Chan resumes office after his leave of absence ended yesterday. The hospital clarified that they have not yet received the Health Department's response on Dr. Chan's application for early retirement. Here in Davao City, starting Monday, curfew hours in the implementation of the food and medicine pass will be lifted as the city continues to be under MGCQ. Alan.
Thank you, Rial Soroche.